In just a few short days, the calm skies here above Twin Falls will be transformed into one of the largest air shows in all of Idaho for the Magic Valley Airshow. I'm your Twin Falls neighborhood reporter Joey Martin at the Magic Valley Regional Airport as aircraft from all over the country start touching down for this weekend's event, including the U.S. Navy Blue Angels.
They're one of the most popular flying units in the world, and yet they come to Twin Falls, Idaho.
On Monday night, the U.S. Navy Blue Angels touched down in Twin Falls, marking the legendary crew's third trip to the Magic Valley Airshow.
We are probably the smallest air show they do, and they do it, I think, because they like the community, the way they're treated, and we hold up the values that the Blue Angels like.
As the pilots rest ahead of the show, fans can glimpse their sleek aircraft through a fence at Joslin Field.
I just came over to look at the Blue Angels. I came to pick up my dad from the airport and saw some pretty cool looking jets. And I think it is a cool picture, maybe post on Instagram, something like that.
The Blue Angels are the star of the show, but they're not the only impressive performance this weekend.
We have an F-35 demo team coming up from Hill Air Force Base, which is also an amazing thing to have us come. One of the most amazing fighters in the world today. We have some of the top air show performers in the world coming also.
Fans can also expect a full lineup of aerobatic performances, static aircraft displays, vendors, concessions, and much more, all starting on Saturday.
The gates will open at 9 o'clock with the air show opening ceremonies at 11. The Blue Angels take the sky at 3, and when they land, the show's basically over at 4.
And if you can't make it to the show, don't worry. Just keep your eyes in the sky. The Blue Angels are scheduled to take multiple practice laps over the Magic Valley on Thursday and Friday.
For more information on show times and tickets, log on to idahonews6.com and click on this story. Reporting in Twin Falls, I'm your neighborhood reporter Joey Martin, Idaho News 6.